Hello fellow achievers and seekers of success. In the previous video, I have shared some topics that I would be covering on this channel. And in this video, I would cover the remaining topics that would be shared with you guys on this channel. I have applied for the medical registration of Ireland as well, and I am currently in the registration process for about 8 months. And when I am recording this video, I have submitted my Gen form, and Alhamdulillah, I am expecting to get my license for practice in Ireland in about 2 months, inshallah. So guys, if you want to know about the detail of this Ireland Medical Council registration process, then you are at the right place. I will cover each and every detail, so you guys don't have to go anywhere else, and you will not have to see any other video or have to go through any lengthy blog post related to the process of Ireland Medical Council registration. Before applying for the Medical Council registration of Ireland, I have done a deep research about various other opportunities out there in some other countries that include Australia, UK, Singapore, Maldives, USA as well, and Qatar and other Gulf countries including Dubai, Abu Dhabi. So I have a very deep knowledge about these countries, their application process, their registration process, about their exams as well, what is the fees of their exam, and what is the preparatory source, how much time do you need for the registration process, and what are the pros and cons of applying to these countries as well. So I will cover this topic as well. If you want to know, then kindly do like this video and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming detail. As you guys have noticed up till now, that I have gone through a lot of interviews in many of the institutes, and I have also appeared in the MTI program interview as well. MTI is a medical training initiative program by the UK, and it provides you with the registration for a limited time of period, but the best thing about the MTI program is that you get the GMC registration. So if you guys want to know about the preparation of interview for any of the hospital you are applying for, or any international program you are applying for, I can help you in that, and I will cover all the important questions and how to answer those questions effectively in any interview related to your medical profession. I have also done research as well. I have my research published in the Monaldi Archives of Infectious Diseases as well. It is an international journal of very high impact factor, and I have also 2 other researches in Pakistani journals as well. So I have gone through this process of research methodology. मेरे लिए भी research करना बिल्कुल एक नई चीज़ थी, तो मैंने इस पर काफ़ी research की that how to research, what is the research methodology, and what is literature review, how can you do effectively your literature review, how can you use latest technology and latest AI tools that could help you in your research. So I have, alhamdulillah, I have this knowledge about research methodology, and I will be sharing this research methodology with you guys so that you don't face any difficulty while doing your research. Guys, I have this profound interest of reading books. Someone has rightly said that a reader lives 1,000 lives, because जब आप ये कोई भी बुक पढ़ रहे होते हैं तो आप खुद को उस स्टोरी के अंदर मौजूद पाते हैं, and you go through that experience that is mentioned in that book. If you want financial freedom, you want to live a productive life, you want to live a healthy life, or you need some guidance related to any aspect of your life, these books can help you in so many ways that you cannot understand until you read those books. So I will be sharing the summary of some very interesting books that I have read, and I will keep on sharing the important points, the highlighted points that I get from any book in our book club. I encourage you guys to read those books yourself, but definitely I will be sharing the summary of those books in an effective way on this channel, so that even if you don't get time to read those books yourself, so you can at least go through the summary of these books, and then can apply those important lessons of the books in your life. इन द पॉडकास्ट सेशन ऑफ आवर चैनल मैं आप लोगों को मिलवाऊंगा बहुत सी ऐसी पर्सनैलिटीज़ के साथ जो कि बहुत से डाइवर्स एक्सपीरियंस से गुजरे हैं और जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में कुछ अचीव किया है. फॉर एग्जांपल, दे आर वर्किंग इन टॉप लेवल हॉस्पिटल्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान इंक्लूडिंग आगा खान, शौकत खानम, शिफा इंटरनेशनल एटसेट्रा. दे हैव गॉट रेजिडेंसी और द लाइसेंस ऑफ the countries including Ireland, UK, Australia, USA, Dubai, Singapore, etc., etc. Well guys, I have this passion for teaching. हमारे मेडिसिन के प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर बिलाल अक्सर ये कहा करते थे कि व्हाट इज़ पैशन, हाउ यू डू यू डिफाइन पैशन. सो वो कहते थे कि पैशन वो है जो आपकी नींदें उड़ा दे. लाइक आप पूरा पूरा दिन भी वो काम करो तो आप थको ना, आपको थकन का एहसास ना हो, एंड यू कैन डू दैट वर्क अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन विदाउट फीलिंग एनी टायर्डनेस. सो आई थिंक दैट आई हैव दिस पैशन फॉर टीचिंग. मैं कभी भी पढ़ाते हुए थकता नहीं हूँ. सो आई विल बी teaching the important medicine topics, as the medicine is the subject of my interest, and I will be teaching you guys, for example, ECG, important emergency scenarios, emergency topics, and important topics related to cardiovascular system, gastrointestinal system, and endocrinology, rheumatology, and oncology, hematology, and so on. So I will be covering these topics in detail, and then after seeing those videos, when you go through your book and memorize those things, you will never ever forget those things, because you will have the basic concept of that particular topic. Up till now, this was the doctor part of my channel, and in the beyond part, I would be covering some common diseases in our society. I would share the information and the important information related to those diseases, क्योंकि मैंने अपने मेडिकल की फील्ड में ये चीज़ नोट की है कि बहुत सी डिजीज़ ऐसी हैं जिनको प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन मीन्स कि एक बीमारी होने से पहले जो एहतियाती तदाबीर अपनाई जा सकती हैं जिससे आपको बीमारी कभी हो ही ना. तो उस चीज़ के बारे में हमारी कम्युनिटी में, हमारी सोसाइटी में देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ लैक ऑफ गाइडेंस, एंड लोगों को एहतियाती तदाबीर के बारे में पता ही नहीं होता. तो इस लैक ऑफ नॉलेज की वजह से वो बहुत सी ऐसी बीमारियों में मुब्तला हो जाते हैं जो कि थोड़ी सी एफर्ट से, थोड़ी सी एहतियात के साथ जिनसे बचा जा सकता था, वो सारी ज़िंदगी के लिए उन बीमारियों में मुब्तला हो जाते हैं. तो मैं पर्टिकुलरली इन चीज़ों पर फोकस करूँगा कि जिन नॉलेज होना हर इंसान को बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिसकी नॉलेज होने से और जिन एहतियाती तदाबीरों को अपनाने से इन बहुत सी मुहलिक बीमारियों से बचा जा सकता है. इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज़ नॉट रिलेटेड टू दिस मेडिकल प्रोफेशन, और वो इन कॉमन बीमारियों के बारे में जानना चाहता है और एहतियाती तदाबीरों के बारे में जानना चाहता है जिनको अपना कर वो इन सब बीमारियों से बच सकता है, और एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट द हेल्दी फूड एंड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल, some tips and tricks related to live a healthy lifestyle, so you will get all these details right on this channel. So if you haven't liked this video up till now, then do like this video and subscribe the channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming video. Guys, the whole purpose of making this effort is to provide a helping hand to you guys, so that you don't have to face all those difficulties that I have gone through, and I want to share my experience and my tips and tricks and my advice to you guys, so that you have the right information at the right time and you can make an informed decision about your career. And in this process, I will be needing your support as well, so that I will stay motivated and will keep on sharing all this interesting stuff with you guys. If you guys are interested in any of this topic, then do check my previous video in which I have shared my introduction with you guys, so that you guys know about me and you have the confidence in what I am saying. Guys, this is it for today, and hope to see you guys in the next video.